Is given कि the velocity time plot for a particle moving on a straight line is shown in the figure. So answer to this question, bit A. The particle has constant acceleration. We know that from velocity time graph, slope gives rise to acceleration. Slope gives rise to acceleration. Slope of Vt graph gives rise to acceleration. So particle has constant acceleration. Yes, particle has constant acceleration because slope of Vt graph gives rise to acceleration. Particle has constant acceleration. Yes, particle has constant acceleration. Particle has constant acceleration. Particle has constant acceleration. Bit B, the particle has never turned around. So here the velocity becomes 0, then velocity is decreasing. Suppose we can write, suppose a body starts from position A to position B. Suppose a particle starts from position A and ends at position B. Then particle starts from position B to reach at the position A. So in this case velocity is 0, then velocity is negative. So when particle moves from A to B, velocity is 10 meter per second. When particle moves from A to B, velocity is 10 meter per second I cap, as it is moving along positive x-axis. When it turns around and coming from B to A, we can write velocity is 10 meter per second minus I cap, because this is the negative x-axis, 10 meter per second minus I cap. So in this case velocity is negative. So in this case velocity is positive, in this case velocity is negative. So particle has never turned around, but in this case particle is turned around as velocity is negative. Particle turned around. Particle already turned around. So how we can know? That can be observed from the graph. Particle turned around. Particle turned around, observed from graph. Observed from graph. Observed from graph. So this is not correct. So this is not correct. Only A is correct. So this is not correct. Bit C, the particle has zero displacement. So we know that area under the graph gives rise to displacement. Area is what? Half base into height, 10 into 10. Half 10 into 10. So this is 50. And this is equals to half base into height. Base is what? 20 into 20. So this is 200. So 50 minus 200. So that equals to minus 150. Displacement is minus 150. Displacement equals to how much? Displacement equals to minus 150 meter. So particle has zero displacement. So this is also not correct. Bit D, average speed in an interval 0 to 10 is same as the average speed in the interval 10 to 20. Average speed 0 to 10, average speed between 0 to 10 is same as the average speed in the interval 10 to 20. Average speed is total distance by total time. So total distance equals to how much? Total distance from 0 to 10 is distance covered equals to half base into height, half 10 into 10. So 2, 5. So this is 50. So distance equals to 50 meter. For this 10 to 20, for this 10 to 20, that equals to half base into height. So this is also 10 into 10, half 10 into 10. So this is also 50 meter. So average speed in an interval 0 to 10 is same as the average speed in the interval 10 to 20. Yes, this option is correct. So option A is correct, option D is correct. So both the options are correct.